All right, the time has come. We're gonna paint this bad girl. It's about to be a fresh unit. I'm gonna do it the cheater way though, and I'm gonna take the bumper off and the fender off and just paint them separately since we don't have space in the garage to do it right now. So unfortunately, we're just gonna have to try to buff that out the best we can and come back to it later. But it'll look better than this for the time being. But now we got, 1,300 miles of bugs to go wash off this, and then we'll get ready. Well, good thing it's getting repainted.
I didn't mean to. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Car.
How's the car look? Clean? Nice and clean. All right. Let's get the boys. And let's go get these parts taken off. All right, next step. Set them up on the stands. We're gonna paint them outside because we trashy like that. Okay. Yes. Oh yeah, he's recharging the AC for me since it was kind of rough on the way here. Freon.
That was legal.
Don't breathe this. We drove all the way.
1,100 miles across Moon Bridge. That's an inside joke.
It's from an old TikTok I made.
And it took forever to edit. All I ever heard was 1,100.
But we drove all the way from Washington with this front bumper clipped on by 2 little plastic clips. Plastic. There we are. So I'm gonna tape this off. I'm keeping this middle section black, and we're gonna paint the sides silver. Because I'm gonna have all the chrome, or that was chrome, I'm gonna paint black, and we're gonna have a nice black grille in the front and turn it all black. I saw a picture of a car that had something similar. It looked pretty cool, so we're rolling with it.
This thing has no pressure whatsoever.
Oh, lovely.
So there's more than likely.
So what does that mean? It's gonna take a while?
Well, at least we have
problem.
to find the leak in the system. Normally, if you get to this stage, you would hook up a fogger, and you could see, like, it'll fill the line with, like, cloudy, like a fog, and you can see where it's leaking out.
So this one has nothing on it.
No? You want to just move it up there? All right.
Oh, there is pressure in there. Yeah, but we're gonna clean it all.
2 cans enough?
have another half of
You got a Dremel here too? Or a drill bit? For me to get this to fit a little better, I'm gonna need to fucking move that out.
It smells so bad.
You know, technically right here is illegal.
Really?
You're supposed to take it to a shop and have it professionally evacuated. But we don't do that around here. So, where's the piece you need to clean?
Oh, right.
Oh, you don't need to fuck with it.
Why are you still wearing that fucking hat?
Buongiorno. Rats.
Grazie.
Don't break it.
Okay. Just this one, not the bumper? Why?
Because the bumper's you got a lot of scrubbing to do on that.
Oh, so I have to scrub it first and wipe it down?
Yeah.
Perfecto.
I feel like I will drop this already right now.
Nope.
And I'm grinding till I tack this. You ain't grinding till you die. You know what song, Johnny?
And I'm grinding till I'm tack this. You ain't grinding till you die. So I'm grinding my eyes wide. Looking to find a way through the day.
Gotta show the turtle off.
Getting it all scuffed up. Devin doing a final wipe.
Tack rack's fine. This is just getting dust.
All right, let's hear it in the comments for Devin's hat. Yay or nay?
Buongiorno.
It's fucking stupid.
It is.
Fucking bugs, dude. Look at all the
Making it worse.
Look at all the bugs I got in here. And up there.
Do you need a cotton swab?
It ain't dry.
Cotton swab.
It's fucking it up with the tack rack.
Yeah. How about cotton swab?
I think your best bet's waiting for Your best bet's probably waiting for it to dry a little bit more and scuff it up a little bit more.
And yeah, and then we can go get some snacky snacks.
What kind of snacky snacks?
Something.
I was kind of feeling some Casey's pizza.
You want that?
I need a big Jim all in my mouth.
Dude, damn, I need a big Jim all up in my mouth. R.I.P.
He still does a food truck.
Yeah, but he ain't got no Big Jim option on there. Just regular pepperoni and sausage stuff.
Is it?
Big Jim, Zips Pizza, Adair, Iowa. Bring back the Big Jim.
Holler at your boy, Patty Smile. Every job you ever worked, your social security number.
Devin signed it.
Do we need to go look at the Ultima?
Yeah, my signage is hidden by a license plate.
It ain't hidden at all.
So once upon a time, Devin and I painted our sister's car.
No, here, give me the phone.
Devin and I, hold on.
We ain't cutting this. Oh, it's dirty, but she's somewhere in there. Here, I'll get the real footage. Wipe her down so she's nice and clean, so you can see what we talking about.
He's loyal.
Oh my fucking, I forgot how bad it was.
Onto the bumper and everything.
It looks like melted ice cream, it's fine.
And then come get the mirror.
The mirror wasn't my fault, it was Alan's. He told me to hit it again, I knew it was gonna run. Oh my god. So yeah.
This is
Oh, you're gonna fucking roast me to her too?
that ain't even bad. Come here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Well, let's see you do better. They outed me. That's bullshit.
You signed that fuck with every job you ever worked, girlfriend, social security number, state you ever visited, vacation you ever went on.
Listen, that was my first time painting a car. And it wasn't exactly my fault. Kind of was, but not really. I didn't dial the pressure of the gun. I didn't check anything. I just sent it. And that's what we ended up with.
No idea.
I am. Yeah, we got off-road caddy now.
Trying to make sure these fuckers don't.
Are you okay?
Did you get that?
I did. B, it's
Bugs
just
on my head.
it's just
Now,
a
can I see the light?
it's just a bug.
It's not just a bug. It will kill me.
It will kill me, B.
What my D would say. Oh,
We're moving the light bar back here and lighting up everything because we didn't finish the time, and we're trying to keep the bugs away from the paint.
Just a me with my funny.
All right, we went and got ice cream to celebrate, but love it or hate it, it's better than the all black bumper and black fender. Fitment turned out decent. Oh yeah, I can tell the fender's a little darker for sure on this angle now. That's okay though. Silvers and whatnot. We'll get some 3M tape, get that other little vent thing, poke back in the side there. Fog lights are in. She's all set. I guess maybe we'll go get some cool pictures taken for the end of the video. A little before and after and whatnot, and yeah. I guess that was a fun journey. Long road trip. Even longer build process. Took over a year to put back together. Thanks to my procrastination and thanks to her wrecking it. But we're done for now. And she's going to be staying here in Iowa, and we're flying home tomorrow. Or I forgot what day it is. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're leaving soon. But yeah, we're leaving this here to free up space for a new project or something new that's fun and can
take up more room in the garage or driveway. And yeah, and we're leaving this here for something new. But hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you smiled. See ya.